Hello, welcome to Lego with Fonzie. Hope everyone is well. Hi. So today we are doing Lego 253. This set is from 1975. It is very old. It sadly is used. I can't find a sealed set that doesn't cost me the fact I need to remortgage my house. Old Lego is expensive. So today we're going to build a little helicopter. As you can hopefully see from the picture, this is not your typical minifigure. Oh no, no. This is one of the what I personally call one of the weird in betweens. You see, you had your minifigure that we have now, and this is one of those that came sort of in like an in between area between the originals and the modern. I'm not going down the rabbit hole of minifigures today. That's for a video I'm currently creating that will be released later this year. So I do hope you enjoy this little video. It is going to be short. It's not going to take me no longer than the time it takes me to drink this cup of tea to make this Lego set. So let's dig into this one. Let's build it. Let's have a chat at the end. I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. And those of you who skip to the end, you're naughty. Naughty. So there you have it, folks. Lego 253 helicopter. It's lovely. It's a fun, simplistic little thing. It's weird because I was building things like this when I was a child. I've got the hiccups. I was building things like this when I was a child, but that look pretty much just like this. I mean, if you compare what we build now to then, Lego's jumped quite a long way. It's very, very advanced now in compared to how it used to be. But Lego of the age back then, it was very simplistic because that's the way the world was. It was a very much more simpler place. But that's just my thoughts on it. What do I know? So let's spin it round. As you can see, these are meant to be transparent bricks, but due to age of these parts, they do cloud. It happens, sadly. But if they'd turned up clear, then I'd be worried. Because that doesn't mean to me that they weren't original parts, they'd actually been replaced with a modern, clearer parts. So actually, I'm happy with that. Just in case you were wondering. So as you can see, we have our minifigure inside. I'm not quite sure you can call it a minifigure. The head does detach from that block. The arms are attached to the block. They work up and down, in and out. That's about the limit of what it'll do. Up, down, in, out. Shake it all about. That's what they'll do. So she's a lovely thing. Very happy with it. Very happy with my £5 eBay purchase. Yes, that's how much it cost me. £5 delivered from eBay. Why? Because it's used. It's not in the best condition. But it's a fun little thing. And it'll sit very happily on my shelf with my old Lego. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. I hope you enjoyed this short video. And if you have jumped to the end, you're naughty. Naughty, naughty. Try watching the whole thing. You never know, you might enjoy it. See you all soon. And remember, please subscribe. I am pushing for 1,000 subs this year. Subscribing on YouTube, it's free. All you got to do is click the subscribe button, ring the little bell. Then you'll get notifications of my videos every Tuesday and Friday, every single week of the year. See you all soon. Peace out, my friends. May the Fonzie be with you all. Take care now. Let us ta-da for now.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us